Hi, it's Monica. Today's craft is we're going to take this ball from the Dollar Tree ornament and we're going to take a bunch of scraps, all different shapes and sizes, and we're going to cover it with the scraps. Let's get started. I also have some Modge Podge. So hopefully that's how we're going to put it on there. If not, I'll have to resort to the glue gun. And I got this small container at the Dollar Tree also. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick out a square. And I think that one's going to look perfect. I'm going to take this off. Ouch! So I don't get Modge Podge on there. So I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm just going to paint right where I want that to go. Well, not paint, put the glue. And then I'm going to stick the glue on there. And then take some more Modge Podge and put over top. Let's cut this little square off. And that little piece. Alright, there was something I wanted on here. It was a little Santa Claus, or no. Oh, this little guy. This little bear on here. I'm going to cut around this little bear and make him like the focus. Alright, let's see. Where do I want it? I might as well stick in the same section. So I'm just going to put some paint or some glue there. Put my little bear there. And then put some more on top. And that's what it looks like so far. And let's see, do we have a whole truck? Oh, here's some Christmas trees. I think we'll put him on the back. And hide this seam. I'm just going to smooth it out. And then start over top. I grabbed some more scraps because I have so many of them. And lost my little scissors. Here they are. So I'm just going to cut this in a little triangle for the little candy cane there. And I'm going to put him at the top going down. There's no rhyme or reason to this. We're just going to glue it on any which way we want. Oh, we need a little more down for that point. And you can overlap the fabrics, which we are going to do. Now I'm going to put something right in here. Doesn't have to be any particular shape, but I don't want to upside down Santa Claus. Alright, oops, I'm sticking to it already. Alright, let's see. I bet you that would fit in there perfect. So let's go right there. Alright, get some more glue. Put my hand inside so I'm not getting glue everywhere. Where's the piece I had? Just like that. Oops, I'm covering up my candy cane. We need to move it down a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Alright, let's paint that on. Make sure we got some underneath here so it'll stick. There we have that so far. Some blue. Let me just straighten up that top because it's going right to the top of there. That little guy. Alright, I got that little guy there. Now this one's going to go right there. And we're just working around. Never done this before, but I thought it looks like fun. So why not? Alright. Got that. My ball ran away. Alright. This is what we got on here so far. And I'm just working around and trying to fill in each little section. Some of the fabric I cut to fit, but we're basically just using scraps. Now I did find a whole truck here. So I'm going to cut around that and put it on this side as a focus. Woo! Don't roll away, ball! So let me just cut that. I think this one I'm going to do an oval. Because those candy canes I can shove somewhere else. Alright, now I gotta find where I was gonna put it. I think right there. Well, no, that's too next to the little guy, so we're gonna put it right here. Boy, this glue dries fast. Alright, let's put you right there. I'm gonna put this little black stripe right there. What's wrong?
Forgot to mention that. Well, I sent my ID, but if I...
Wait a minute, I'm filming. Alright, let's just cut this. Oh, don't run away. Alright, let me get some glue here. And put this present right there. And yeah, right there. Alright, so far we're getting there. Okay, I missed a little tiny spot there, so I'm just going to cut off a corner and put it right in that corner. Just going to cut right there. Boom, done. Little tiny piece to go. Let's see, right there. And then more over it. now I'm going to find something for there. Can't have you like that. You're covering up the little guy that I wanted to focus on. Let's put you just on the edge there. And on the edge there. Ooh, look, that's snowflakes going together. Smooth it out, get it down and on. Good Modge Podge. All right, I'm gonna get some. Oops, my fabric's getting stuck. It's looking wild. I think when I do it upside down, I'm gonna have to set it maybe in there after it dries. I'm not sure. Let me see. What do we got here? I think we're gonna put this truck right there. So let's get it glued up. Put it on there. Overlap a little bit. And podge it on. All right, let's see what we got for here, that little spot. Here we go, let's go right there. Okay, we're gonna put this right here. And flatten it out and put it on there. Right there. Oh, we need to put some underneath. All right, you get the idea. I'm going to finish the rest of this off camera, and I'll show you at the end, but then it'll have to sit overnight to dry, because then I will put a couple more coats of Modge Podge on, and maybe some random rhinestones, if my glue's still good. Okay, I waited until the top dried. Now I can put it in this paint thing, and have everything hold together. I'm just using on the bottom, little tiny pieces, just putting it on there just to get them on. Just trying to get a spot just to fix the, or just to fit where I need it to go. Like this one's got something sewed onto it. I don't know what I was, oh, there goes my scrappers. Let's see, it's got a little present and part of a snowman, so we'll put it like that, going that way. And then put him on. And if something starts to, what do you call it, pucker, just put on the glue and stretch it a little, and it'll stop. See, like this, I want this down more to cover that spot. So we're gonna put it there and there, and move that back over where it was. And I'm just gonna keep moving around. Oh, I like that flower there, so I'm gonna cut it. This time I'm just gonna see what it's like just to cut around something. Kind of like applique, but not really applique. We're sticking people. And I'm gonna put it right there. Except I don't know where the glue is. Actually, I'm gonna start up. Oh, I can't start there because that's right next to one. So we'll just put it here and put it going down over that. Nope, we don't want it too much on the truck. And then there. We want it right on that truck line, so let's move it down a little bit. Put some glue underneath. And give it a little stretch down. Now I missed a spot there and there, which I will just cut a little tiny piece and stick there. Like, let's see. I'm going to cut off this snowflake. And you don't have to use fabric. You could use wrapping paper or anything. I just had scrap fabric, so that's what I'm using. And I'm going to put it right there. And make sure it covers up the hole. And then put some more glue on. And then I just need a very tiny sliver for right there. So there's a little tiny stocking. I'm going to cut it out and put it right in that spot. And I got to remember that this is upside down. So now I'll put my little stocking there. And then paint, get some more Modge Podge on. And now he's on there. All right, I just have the very top to finish, so I'll do that off camera. And then when it dries, I will show you the rest of it before it has to sit overnight. All right, here's the ornament. It's all dry, but I'm going to let it dry overnight anyways. And then I'm going to put another couple more coats of Modge Podge. And then put this back on. And it'll get shinier as we go. There it is.